Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to broadcast WhatsApp message for your car dealership. So if you're also running a car dealership and want to keep your customers updated regarding upcoming deals, festive offers and important reminders, you are in the right place. So in this video I will show you the step-by-step process of how you can create a powerful broadcasting system for your car dealership by using Pabbly Chatflow, and you can send WhatsApp message to your number of customers on a preferred date or time. So firstly, in this video we are going to create a message template. Now on the next step we are going to create a broadcast, and at last we are going to send the scheduled message on that preferred date or time. So if you also want to enhance your customer's experience, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp broadcast. Welcome to my screen. So in today's video we are going to explore how car dealership can effectively use WhatsApp broadcast to connect with customers, promote new car launches and boost sales. So this broadcast message will help us connect directly with our clients by highlighting special deals on our featured car models, flexible finance options and exchange bonuses. So here you can see this is the broadcast I have created, and I am going to schedule this broadcast for a specific date and time. Let's say I want to send my customers a festive offer on the festival day, and I don't want to send my customers this broadcast message manually. So I will just broadcast this message for that specific date or time, and our message will be automatically sent on that specific date or the time. And this is going to not only boost our sales but also helps our customers to engage with our business more. So let's see how this broadcast message works. For that I am going to enter my username and enter the mobile number, and I will send a test message, and after that we will dive into my WhatsApp to check whether we have received the broadcast message or not. So let's enter the mobile number here and click on send test message. Here, as I have sent the test message, I am receiving a pop-up that is test broadcast sent. So now let's dive into my WhatsApp and check whether we have received this response or not. So here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and here you can see in this number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account, I have received this template message that is, hi customer, great news from XYZ dealership. For a limited time enjoy exclusive offers on the stunning XYZ model. So here you can see we are getting this template message regarding the offer provided by this XYZ car dealership. So here you can see we are also getting a button for availing the offer. So here you can see we are successfully receiving the broadcast over our WhatsApp. So let's start creating our broadcast messages by just using Pabbly Chatflow. For that you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user you can just click on sign up free, but if you are an existing user you can click on sign in. But as I have already an account on Pabbly, I will just click on sign in. And once you finish your sign up, you will get this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the products provided by Pabbly. As I am going to broadcast a WhatsApp message, I will just select Pabbly Chatflow, as we are going to get the broadcast option in this Pabbly Chatflow app. Now for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you just have to click on access now, and once you will click on access now, you will get the dashboard page of Pabbly, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. So if you also want to add your WhatsApp number, you can just click on add WhatsApp number, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can just click on WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number, you can just click on Manual Token Connect. Now further on the sidebar you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly. You can access any of these features based on your needs, and these features are such as inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity log settings and get help. And we are going to use the broadcast over here. Now if you want to learn more about these features, you can find the video link in the description given below. And as we are here to broadcast our WhatsApp message, we will select the broadcast over here on the sidebar. And as we have clicked on the broadcast, we have got this broadcast page, and here you can see these are the broadcasts I have scheduled. And now I am going to tell you how you can create your own broadcast from scratch. For that, firstly you just have to click on this add broadcast button, and as you will click on add broadcast button, you will get this WhatsApp broadcast page, and here you can create your own WhatsApp broadcast for a predefined list of contacts, which is perfect for announcement, promotions or timely updates. Now here it is asking me to select the broadcast type, and here as I am going to broadcast my own templates, I will just select the broadcast campaign over here. But if you are using the APIs, you can select the API campaign, but we are going to just select the broadcast campaign over here. Now further it is asking me to enter the broadcast name. So now let's provide a name to our broadcast broadcast over here. Here you can see I have provided the name to my broadcast, that is car dealership. Now further here it is asking me to select the contacts list. So here you can see these are the contact list I have created. You can also create your own contact list. For that you just have to go to contacts on the sidebar. And once you will click on contacts, you will get this contacts page, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account, and these are the contact list I have created. Now if you want to create your own contact list, you just have to click on add new contact list button over here, and as you will click here you will get this page, and here you can fill the details, that is your contact list name, tags and status, that is opt-in, incoming status, etc. And just click on add button and your contact list will be created. And here I have already created my list, that is my customers. So I am going to select this list over my broadcast, and here you can see I have selected my list, that is my customers. Now here it is asking me to select the pre-approved template message or the regular message. So if you want to enter your regular message, you can select the regular message type over here. You can choose another options also, and here you have to enter your regular message which you want to broadcast to your number of customers on a preferred date. But I am going to enter a template message providing the exclusive offer from my customers. For that I will select the pre-approved template message over here, and now it is asking me to select the WhatsApp templates. So here you can see these are the templates I have created. You can also create your own templates. For that you just have to go to templates over the sidebar, and here you can see we are getting the option for templates list. So just select it and create your own templates over here. And here as I have clicked on templates list, I have got this page, and here you can see these are the templates I have created. You can also create your own templates. For that you just have to click on add template button, and here you will get this new template page, and here you can add your own template. And now it is asking me to select the template category. So here you can select marketing, utility and authentication, but now my purpose is for the marketing. I will just select the marketing category over here, and now here it is asking me to enter the template name. So I am going to provide a name to my template, but you have to remember one point, that names can only be in lowercase, alphanumeric character and underscores. Special characters and white spaces are not allowed. So here we have to enter the name in lowercase without any white spaces. Now here you can see I have provided the template name as car dealership. Now here it is asking me to select the language required. So I am going to select the language as English over here. I have selected my language. Now let's move on further, and here it is asking me to select the template type. And as I am going to provide a message to my customer regarding the offer details, so I will select the template type as text over here. But if you want to provide the image, video, document, location or carousel, you can choose any of these options from here. But I have already selected the option as text, and now here it is asking me to enter the template header. So if you want to provide a header to your template, you can provide it over here. Now further it is asking me to enter the template format. So I am going to provide a template format over here. So now let's create a template here. So here you can see I have provided the template format over here, and you can also see the preview of this template message over here on your right side. Now further it is asking me to select the template footer. So if you want to provide a footer to your template, you can provide it over here. Now here it is asking me to enter the interactive actions. So here I am going to select the call to actions over here, as I am going to provide the URL for my website over this template message so that my customers can avail the offer. So here you can see I have entered the button title as avail offer. Now here the URL type is static, and now I am going to enter the URL for my customers so that they can avail the offers. So here you can see I have entered a dummy URL for my customer. So you can see in the preview section that we have created a template over here. Now we just have to click on the submit button and submit our template. And here you can see our car dealership template is successfully created. Now let's select this template over our add broadcast. So here you can see as I have clicked on select WhatsApp template, I am getting my template which I have recently created. So just select this template, and here we are getting our template. Now let's move on further, and now here it is asking me to enter the username or the phone number for sending the test message. So if you want to send the test message, you can enter the username or enter the mobile number and check whether we are receiving the correct broadcast message or not. Now it is asking me to select the schedule broadcast. So if you want to send your broadcast instantly, you can select no over here, but I am going to schedule my broadcast for later. So I will select the yes, schedule for later over here, and here we are getting the option for select date and time. So here you can select the date and time on which you want to send the broadcast to your customers, and our message will be sent on that preferred date or the time. Now you just have to click on add broadcast and your broadcast will be added. Now let's firstly send a test message and check whether we are receiving the response or not. For that I am going to enter my username and the mobile number. Here I have entered my username. Now I am going to enter the mobile number and select send test message over here. and after that you just have to click on add broadcast and your broadcast will be added. So as I have clicked on send test message, I am receiving this message on my WhatsApp. So here we are broadcasting our message by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So you can also broadcast your WhatsApp message for your number of customers on a preferred date or time. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more broadcast messages like this. And if you have any doubt, you can post it over the comment sections. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.